So the reason why price is doing what price is doing right now. Right now, I was correct about the bias stuff. Right now, look at what price is doing right now. We came down. We didn't take out this low over here. This was the SOB that was created. So the SOB was created, and then we pushed. We rallied higher with Friday creating the high of the day. High of the day was created at 5, but on the hourly, half the day was created. Yeah, half the day was created by 5 right here. So 5 created the high of the day. So this is London. This is London. That's after London session. So if half the day was created at 5 right here, was created at 5. So that's London. That means this is meant to be giving a classic sell day, but that's not giving it. So this low right here, we didn't even take out that low. This SOB and this 15 minutes fair value gap. So price is just, I want everyone on this buy side liquidity to be taken out right here, and I want price to go higher because right here is a change in state of delivery. Right here is a change in state of delivery right here. So I don't want to be analysis hopping, right? Because that's not what I want to do. So that I won't overanalyze myself. So I'm keeping this 1 hour fair value gap in case price actually goes down, because this is a low resistance liquidity run. So from low resistance liquidity run, we're going to high resistance liquidity run. So low resistance liquidity run, then high resistance liquidity run, then low resistance liquidity run. Right now, right here, I want all of these buyers to just die right here. If we go over here, this is DXY right now. So DXY is just pumping right now, but on the 4 hour, we might close above here, remaining like 1 hour. Then on the 8 hour, we have 5 hours before we close above to create a change in state of delivery. So right now it's 11:30. So I'm just thinking we make a new high during lunch right now. 12. Make a new high and take out these guys over here. Because right now we close above this candle. We close above this candle right now. So that's a change in state of delivery. We close above this 15 minutes bullish candle. Black candle. So I'm just waiting until we take out those buyers. Which price is doing? Let me go here. So this was our 4 hour this is point A. This is point A and this is point B. So from point A to point B. Point A is this bullish order block on the 4 hour to help our institutional sponsorship. endpoint B is a high, a buy side liquidity. So this right here was just another retracement into this order block. This will be right here. This isn't even classified as a turtle soup because if you look at the turtle soup stuff right here, right? If you go over here, we have a breaker right here. Right here. Of course this will work, but it won't work magically. Right here we have a breaker, we have a turtle soup. We have this breaker, that means from this high to this low right here, from here to here, or from here to here. This went into OTE. From this range to this range, this went into OTE, and then we're expanding. So retracement, this little downward is retracement, boom, expansion. We close above this candle right here. So right here we swept this candle right here. All that is left is for a close above this retracement candle. We just need to close above this retracement. I mean, we close above this body right here. Well, personally, nice. And there we go. Boom. There we go. Beautiful. 11:30. That's beautiful. Took all of those buyers out. Bang. That's what I love to see. That's what I love to see. So we close above 2.52. That means possibly 2.5. 2.5 created a retracement into this SOB. So now we're above. So right now we just created the new high of the day. We created the new high of the day. Also, you remember the stuff I posted yesterday? We didn't even need to go below here. Why? Because if you think about retracements, right? We retraced right here, and then we're expanding right here. If you take this range on the 15 minutes, if you take this range right here, from this range to this range, from this range to this range, the range before Asian session, what happened? In the range before Asian session, we came, in the range before Asian session, from zero, right here, in the range before Asian session, this, from this high right here, and that's like before the close right here. So Asian session is this time right here. So from this range, from this to this high, from this low to this high, we tagged inside this fair value gap right here. So we are retracing into this fair value gap. What happened? Low of the day was created on this retracement to this SOB order block right here on the lower time frame. Let's go into the 5 minutes. Do you see that? We tagged into this order block right here on the 5 minutes. This is an SOB. This is an SOB right here. This week took out this week, so this is an SOB right here. We tagged into the SOB, then we traded high. Let's go to the 15 minutes. So we traded high. After we traded high, we can continue going higher, continue going higher. There was a fair value gap, so we expanded. We didn't take out this expansion right here, so we kept on going higher. Consolidation. We created lows. We touched it, and then we rallied higher, and we made the low of the day. Actually, no, this yeah. If we go to the let's go to let's actually see right here. Yeah, low of the day was created here, so there was no need. So if we go over to if we go over here, price came rallied higher, rallied higher. We took out this high in Asia, took out this high in Asia. After we took out this high in Asia, all of these highs in Asia, we came down and retraced into this fair value gap right here. So retracement into a fair value gap, all of this consolidation, manipulation, expansion, retracement, this breaker right here. So these are our real turtle soup right here. Expansion, retracement, expansion. We took out all of these highs over here. Then we took out these buyers. This is just a retracement down here. So meaning this could be our turtle soup right here. So that means we could take this as our breaker going forward, because I change my ideas when things get untaken. For example, the reason why I wouldn't even take this fair value gap is because what was price doing? There was an SOB right here. Did price sweep that SOB? No, we didn't sweep that SOB. If price swept that SOB, did we sweep this low over here? No, we didn't. So we didn't even take out this SOB right here. So that's the reason why I didn't. That's why I put this invalid right here. If this is invalidated, then I'll say that okay, price is probably going into discount to make the low of the day and low of the week. So retracement, expansion. So right now this is an expansion right now. What do we see? We're closing above the expansion right now. We wait for a close above the expansion. Also, what also like kind of helped me was the ES, because if you remember that expansion and retracement stuff, that expansions need to close above the retracement, right? So why is it? So if expansions need to close above retracements, what is going on? Okay. If expansions need to close above retracements, let's go over to the daily here. Look over here. This was our retracement. Now, as we retrace, did we expand higher than this retracement right here? This retracement high, no. So Monday had to expand. So we're targeting Friday's high. And this will be our point A, B. Let's go over to the 15. This is an SMT right here. This looks like an SMT right here. This is an SMT for NAS right now. It's creating an SMT on NAS right now for lower prices. So possibly thinking for NAS that we took out the 5 a.m. buyers and now we can create low of the week, but I wouldn't mind until an order block low is taken. Right here. Do you see that SMT? You have a 15-minute SMT. Let me see. Look at that. Look at that. We closed above 3. So now, right now, possible target is 4 right here. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Low resistance liquidity run. We close above. So right now, all that is left right now that we can do is just to consolidate right now. This could possibly be a right here. This line right here. This could be a possible support right now because this is almost like a BPR. Looks like a BPR for the rejection blocks. And now those highs and that's I want to see that being taken. Let's see DXY. DXY is pumping right now. DXY is just doing DXY cleans. At least we took this sell side, so let's see over here. I'm trying to see maybe 12 a.m. we try to retrace. But for now, I'm not going to change my bias until this low is taken right now. It's one step at a time. If this low is taken, then possibly this. Not that if this one is taken and then I'll be thinking about this. No. It's one step at a time. Think of it as this again. We retraced and then we didn't even expand. We didn't even expand. We retraced this little retracement right here. We retraced from this high to this high, from this high to this low. We retraced from this high to this low. So we came up and then we just stopped around here. This is where we stopped. Then price came lower, tagged into this SOB right here. Let's go into 5 minutes. Price came here, tagged into this order block right here. Then we rallied higher. So meaning we didn't even close above this retracement right here. So price will need to expand and close above this retracement. As price expanded, we close above this retracement, then we start consolidating. We then make consolidation, what do you call it? Consolidation, manipulation, and then expansion. Then we're expanding, then consolidation. Took out all of these sell sides over here, tagged into the supercharged order block, and then we headed higher. We look over here. This fair value gap was right here, so meaning we retrace into fair value gaps in a lower time frame. On a lower time frame, this is fair value gap right here. Yes, on the lower time frame, there'll be a fair value gap nested with this order block right here. There's a fair value gap here, so we retrace into this fair value gap right here. This 5 minutes fair value gap right here. Give me 1 sec. Okay. Okay. So we retraced, price open, tag this order block, expanded. We expanded higher than our retracements, expanded higher, then all of that. So right now I'm just waiting. So from point A to point B, and that's how many points or pips. That's how many. That's how much. That's 60. But 60 is alright. But for me, I like chasing 100 to 300 pips because that's my model. So right now we could just consolidate right now, or we could reverse. If you think about it, right here, look at this. We're closing above this retracement right here, this retracement leg. We're already above this retracement leg on the 4 hour. If we close above here and tag that, then possibly that will happen. We took out London lows by 10. We took out the low that was formed on 2 by 10 too. So this candle right here was an entry. We didn't even take that candle again. This other block. Then we rallied higher. We take it step by step. When I mean step by step, I mean don't think about price going here. If price didn't even take this, if price took this out, then you say price is going for here for discount. But price didn't even take this out, so we're not going here. If price didn't take this out, then we're not going here. As simple as that. Right now I'm looking at 2 right now. I want 11 a.m. this 11:45 to come down here, or we'll just see right now. We've created the high of the day. Goes about 3 standard deviation, possibly a 4 standard deviation up here. Let's look at the consequent erosion of this week right here. High resistance liquidity run, low resistance liquidity run. So think of it as this: high resistance liquidity run, low resistance liquidity run. After a high resistance liquidity run and then low resistance liquidity run, then we create since this is a retracement, Monday could actually create the high of the week, but Tuesday during Asia London, and then we go down. When do markets enter consolidation? Day before a major, don't push in profit. Soon gets you there faster. Economy calendar, that's why it is trading like this. It is. Why are you scratching your head in frustration? 100%. 100%. When do markets enter consolidation? Intraday. Day before a major, so yeah, we have a major news impact. Today was absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I have an SMT here too, so I'm not going to take that into consideration. Just going to have to watch one chart. Or in high premium too. Don't forget that the retracement was in discount. And this is what price is giving us. And Anakin went short here. Well, it's a good reason why to go short, but you want to go short, then you target these lows right here. In fact, it's not even bad to even go short on Mondays, especially if you saw this SOB created during after Asia. It's not random that they didn't even make the SOB during Asia, but they made it right here during midnight open. So I traded higher. We're making the close right now of the day. But still above this retracement right here. I want price to close above this week right here. Above this week. Not above this body. Of course the body carries the orders, but I want above this week. You see that this little retracement right here. We close above, then we create a consolidation. We close above, we create a consolidation. We close above right here, then we create consolidation, then we close, then we come down. So that's my thought process right now. I'm not thinking about this. I'm taking step by step. Look at this. Where was the Judas swing? The Judas swing was right over here. I mean, sorry, right over here. The Judas swing came before the Judas swing came before New York open. We came up, we took our sell side, I mean buy side, fair value gap right here. Then we went lower. So that was our Judas swing, a false swing. I was seeing it and I was like, okay, so Judas swing is meant to come at 9:30, but during 8:30 we took our sell side. So this was our Judas swing from 8:30 to 9:30. That was our Judas swing right there. I'm not putting the CE of this fair value gap right, not yet. There's also this volume imbalance right here. I'm going to take into consideration. Nice, that's beautiful. So we made the fair value gap during we made the fair value gap 11:45 by 12. I'm saying that price should come lower here. It could possibly come lower down here. But I'm just putting PDRAs right now that I think the price could tap into. So from this low that created this expansion, if we put a, you see that there's a fair value gap right here. So price could come into this order block right here and this fair value gap because it's inside premium discounts. Let's see what price will do. If we use the TCM from 4 to 8, what did price take? Price from this low to this high. Price took out buy side. No, price took out sell side first. We took out sell side first from 4 to, hold up. Let me use Chicago. So this 4 was created in Chicago time. And that is absolutely perfect. That isn't random. But this was created in 4. And then we traded lower. So from this high to this low, price swept this liquidity right here first. Then we rallied higher. That isn't random. Absolutely beautiful. Price came down. The ONS model, if we use the ONS model, price came here, Swept. Sorry. That was absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's not random that 4 a.m. created the high of the day. That is absolutely not random. Let's go back to New York. Today was so beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Mm. So -1, +4, +1, +8. -1. Oh, sorry, I forgot to put this. Yeah, red line. Let's call that BPR BPR rejection block. So I'll call that BPR rejection block. Let's make that black, make it red. Right now I'm just seeing that I could enter right now, but I don't trade on Mondays. Absolutely beautiful price action. Absolutely beautiful. DXY could just do DXY things. You could go over here right now. Possibly that's what he wants to do right now. I'm just going to be watching what I want to see on my charts right now. We tagged the BPR rejection block. Let's see. So point A has been met right now. Point A has been met right now. Right now we're just looking for sponsorships that could help push it up. If price takes out this lower here, then I'll think of lower prices and rejection from here. But personally, I don't think price will go here today. Today is just a bullish candle. Today is just a bullish candle because you think about it. If we're making if high impact news is tomorrow, right, and price makes a low right here, what is this low going for? If we make a low, we'll go for this high, and that will waste a lot of money. They could stop right here. They could do whatever they want to do, but if you think about it on a perspective, we are consolidating right now. We want to take out all these orders right here, and also here. Trick buyers to pushing the price higher. We have FOMC and the BPS and everything lining together. Of course, it makes sense for price to want lower prices because look at this. This is our daily range basically. So we are meant to go for lower prices. But the thing about um that's why I like to use a range before Asian session. So this range before Asian session, we went down into discount right here, created this low right here. Range before Asian session, this range right here. The reason why I'm picking this range is because this is the range before the new day. So this range before the new day, I like it. This is the new day, so I'll pick out this range instead of this range right here. This range right here is a daily range, but in before a new day open, that is a good range. So pick that out. Now what is price doing? We didn't close below. We closed on top of that body, on top of the wick. Some people look at this as a what do you call it? This huge candle as a bullish, bearish order block or SOB, but personally, right now, that's not what I'm thinking. That's not what I'm seeing. We don't switch biases. We have invalidation levels. This is my invalidation level right here. If we sweep over here, below there, then I'm invalid. And of course, the ONS. So before New York opens, I'll look for ONS. Sorry, I don't even need to change. I just need to, if this is 5 and this is 9, so from 5 to 9. From 5 to 9, which high and low was taken? 5, this is 4 AM candle. 9, this is a low. This low was taken first in 9. So after 9, so after 9 we have this order block right here. We tag that order block, then we're heading for higher prices. I'm thinking that this 50% will hold right here. So from 5 to 9, that's from 4 to. The reason why I'm picking 5 to 9 is because 5 minus 1 is 4, 9 minus 1 is 8. So from 4 to 8, but for here, for New York time, that's from 5 to 9. So from 5 to 9, low high, low taking out first, then target here. So dang. So I don't have my charger with me, so I'm going to have to stop the recording right now. But as you can see right here, look at how price is respecting this BPR right here and this rejection block. If price just stops the manipulation right here, this week should just stop here, and then the bodies won't close above here. I'll take it. As of right now, I'll pause. Okay, so right now this is the aftermath of what I was saying, and as you can see, pricing closed below this rejection block and BPR. The reason why it's a BPR because this rejection block is a BPR. So look at this. Price weak on this 1 week fair value gap right there. So right now, there's a possibility for us to look for sales, but I don't want to do anything right now because of major news coming right now. So I'm not doing anything right now. Let's go into the 1 minute. This is where I'm expecting it. I was expecting a sell, but this is where I was expecting a sell. But price is just going lower. Let's check the dollar index right now. Dollar index is going lower right now. So yeah, I was learning something about the Fed watch that actually let me get my notes. So about the Fed watch basically. If we use inter-market analysis, sorry, it's not in this my notes, but the inter-market analysis. Let me bring it up right now. Inter-market analysis. Okay. So for ICT. So ICT was saying in this intermarket analysis that
you would understand because the markets are slow.
if bonds and stocks move higher, bonds and stocks move higher together. So the bonds markets are moving higher right now. So the currencies are influenced by the commodities. What are commodities? Commodities move opposites. Commodities are metal, gold, and all those. So if you look at this right now, if the dollar index goes up, commodities goes down. So if the dollar index increases and then the grain and the agricultural export increases, like cotton, all of those. If dollar index weakens, that increases the agricultural exports. So if dollar index is up, stocks and bonds goes up. Dollar index down, stocks and bonds down, dollar index up, commodity currencies down. So commodities and currencies, that's the sorry, let me show you what it's saying. Um Give me a sec. On the chart right now, This is Bitcoin. I'm still looking at this Bitcoin long right now. Shorts. I'm here. So this is like 3 days. A 3 day setup will become 3 days setup will become a daily setup. On ES right now, just waiting for here to be. We have an SMT still right now, so I'll be looking for shorts around tomorrow or when when FOMC comes out. I'll be looking for shorts. Let me take that off. Take that off. Take that off. Good. Okay. So right now we just took out this sales liquidity right here. I want to close above this wick right here. So we retraced, we wicked, and then I want a wick above this body right here. Above this wick, so we close above for Monday. I just want that to happen for Monday right now. So yeah, the example that I was saying. So the commodities, if we search for if we search here, look at ICT, right? So he was talking about
US dollar
US dollar
index.
goes up, then the bonds. Sorry, what was it? So let's look at the bond. There's economy. That's the federal funds. This is the federal funds rates right here. There's economy right here. There's the futures, the funds right here. This one is the funds. These are all the funds. These are stocks. These are the bonds, the bond markets, and this is the economy. So federal funds. Okay. If you look over here, okay. If you look over here, the federal funds right now is currently in 5 right now. If you look over here, this is from 1950. This is currently May right now. So if you look over here, this is October 2006. This is July. So these are the funds. Actually, I don't know what is going on right here, but I don't actually know what is going on. So I'm just going to have to go back. So, anyways, this is the indices right here. I have the dollar index added. After dollar index, I have the VIX, but I don't look at VIX. VIX is the volatility index for the bonds. The bonds are here. So what ICT is saying is if dollar index is up, commodities go down. So the commodities are like let me give examples of commodities. What are commodities? Commodities are basically um oil, grains, and gold. So if dollar goes up, commodities goes down. So dollar index, USDX, US dollar. Oh, sorry, this isn't the dollar index. This is the US dollar. So US dollar goes up, commodities goes down. If US dollar goes down, here, if US goes up, then the stocks and bonds goes up because that's strength in the dollar, not the dollar index. So let me see. Oh wow, that's good. That's very good.
If it moves lower, just as seen.
So hold up. Okay, so currently I'm just gonna have to go right now to watch some videos. There's a video I'm watching to help me with market analysis. That's the inter-market analysis. So I'm gonna watch that video right now. So as of right now, this is what I see. All of this is what I see right now. This is all I know right now. So I'm gonna watch the market analysis video to know what is going on. We just made a high right now. We swept all of this high. So right now we've just made a daily range on the hourly. And also on the daily. So that's all I have right now. We're in deep premium right now. We're in deep premium right now. We're treating that fair value gap 50% as a support right now. I'm gonna have to go and do my reading again. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.